Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Felicia, if you haven't been here before. Today I thought I would do a little revamping of my hair. As you can see, the roots are long. This is like 3 months worth of growth. Hair is growing pretty well, to be honest. It's growing quite quickly, but I need to do like a little trim down here. Fringe needs a little cut. It's a bit too long now. Like if it's, yeah. Luckily I have curly hair, so it will stay up above my eyebrows normally. I need to do a little cut and I'm gonna colour my hair. I have been to Savers. Have one just down the road, up the road, where I normally will go and buy my little products because a bit cheaper and they have everything. I love Savers. They have everything that you need. Let me show you what I got. So I got this colour hair. I don't know if you can... It is very, very red. So we will see how that goes. This is what it says on the back. So my hair is probably around here, my natural hair. And obviously the rest of the hair is red already. I hope it translates well. Otherwise it says here that if your hair is darker, it won't come out as the woman in the picture. Let's hope it does. I kind of wanted to get it a bit brighter. I don't know, new year, pop of colour. And I was also planning on doing my eyebrows. But I'm a bit scared because I'm worried it will be like too orange here. And I'm worried it will like look weird with my skin. And it will like kind of disappear into my face. But luckily, as you know, if you've seen my makeup videos, I have like a darker shade of eyebrow gel. So I think I'm gonna try it and see how I feel about it. And if I don't like it, I can just, you know, colour over it with another colour or just brush through with the colour gel that I have. So yeah, I'm also gonna trim them a little bit because one of my eyebrows, this one here, is a lot thicker than this one. So I'm gonna try and like even them out a little bit and colour them in. And then I will do my hair and cut it as well. I have uploaded a video before as well when I did my hair. I just cut it then, but that was like 2 years ago. So if you want to go and see that one, I would recommend it. It's quite similar to how I cut my hair now. But if you want to see how I cut my hair then, I will link that in the eye icon up here as well if you want to see my previous video when I cut my hair 2 years ago. Also wearing my boyfriend's hoodie today because I didn't know what to wear and he suggested it, thinking that brown and green and whatever goes well with my hair colour. I mean, my hair looks green. I feel like my hair looks green, but I don't know if that's just the lighting. So yeah, that needs to be done today because I've had enough of this. I coloured it in October before I went home to Sweden for my Sweden trip. We're gonna get to it. Sorry for rambling so much. I've already rambled for 6.5 minutes. Let's go to the bathroom. Alright, so I am in the bathroom, moving away my fringe a little bit. So I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. I've got this that I am gonna do this with. Oh, yeah, that's an issue. Oh well, it'll be fine. And I've got my little scissors. The only thing I don't have is like a little brush up thingy. What's it called? A spoolie or something? Can't remember. I might actually get my gel because they have a good brush and then just hope that, try to get off the gel a little bit. So I'll be back. There we go. So I've got my little 24-hour brow setter. It's got a good brush on it. Don't know if you can see. So I'm gonna try and remove the gel as much as I can and see if I can use that well. So I'm gonna actually put you a bit closer so I can stand and look into the mirror and you can still see. Also my boyfriend is currently doing the dishes, so if you can hear the tap running or something, I do apologise. So let's start by brushing them up a little bit. Also, as you can tell, I'm not wearing any makeup today because I want to make sure that I can see what I'm doing with my eyebrows. There's no point in having makeup on when I'm gonna wash my hair and stuff, you know. There we go, so I brushed the eyebrows up. And I'm a bit scared because I haven't done this in a while. I just lift up my eyebrow and shave down like this. Oh, I forgot some light on. There we go, that's better. You can see already how this is a bit smoother than this side. And I think I'm gonna do above as well. I don't know if you can see the difference already, but it does look a lot better. I'm gonna go on to this eyebrow now. I wish we could move it in a bit more like that. I feel like this eyebrow is harder to do, I don't know why. How does that look? Okay, this eyebrow is a bit more sparse as well, which is a bit annoying. I do have a bit more here that I want to get off. How does that look compared to the other one? That looks good. Just need to do a bit more here on the top. They are definitely more even now. And then I'm gonna go here. Now I'm just gonna brush them up a bit. Just cut them a little bit. I mainly just want to cut like these here, so they're not too long. That'll do. So I have now cut my eyebrows. I think they look better, more even. And I am gonna color them now. Alright, so it is time to color my hair. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Preference one. I've used this one before, so I know that I'm not too sensitive to it. So yeah, I'm just gonna use that. Got my little leaflet, put my little gloves on. It comes with the number 2 and the number 1, so I just need to mix these two together. And then it comes with the number 3 as well. So this is the Shine Protect conditioner that you add to your hair after you've washed it. So yeah, I'm just gonna mix these two together and I will be back with you. So I have poured them together and I just need to shake it now for like about a minute. Okay, so I think I've shaken it enough now. I've got my hair coloring hair clip. I don't know if you can see, but it's very discolored. So I'm just gonna separate my hair a little bit. I'm just gonna color like the bottom bit of my hair first. I actually tend to just put it in my hand and then go through it like this. I feel like I get it in a better place than like mix it in and then go through. Ugh, it smells. One more. Mix it in here. Make sure it gets into the roots. I'm just gonna take my hair clip down and start doing the top of the hair. I need to make sure I leave enough to do my eyebrows as well. Gonna take it into the lengths. I need to do more in my hair, but I want to kind of do my eyebrows now before it's too late. And I'm not really sure how to do this. Just putting it on my finger. Just teeny tiny bit. And then I want to make sure. Take my gloves off. Oops. Just gonna wash off underneath. Just so I don't get any on hairs that I don't want. And keep going with my hair. Make sure you don't forget this area. So I feel like that's quite an easy area to forget. I think I don't have a lot left, so I mainly want to get it in my lengths. If that's a hard word to say. How is there so much left? I don't know if I need to use it all, but I always like to make sure that everything is covered, you know. There we go. Okay, I think it is now covered. So what I'm gonna do now is grab my brush and just brush it through. Make sure it's covered everywhere. And this is my ship brush, so don't care if it gets ruined, you know. Just gonna put it up with my hair clip and let it activate for 25 minutes. So I will be back with you in 25 minutes. It has now been 25 minutes. So I'm gonna wash this out. My eyebrows, it worked a little bit, but not like too much. So we'll see how that goes. Let me just wash my hair out and then we'll get to cutting it. Alright, do you look at that? It's very vibrant. Now it's wet as well, so we can't really see the proper colour, but I am now going to colour my hair. No, cut my hair. Okay, so I'm just going to start by brushing it out and parting it properly. So I'm just going to do a nice light trim, to be honest. I'm not going to go too crazy. Cut like this much. And, you know, like I said before, no hairdresser out there, judge me, please. And you know what I always say, luckily I have curly hair, so if I do any mistakes you can't really tell. Just gonna go like this. There we go. Got hair everywhere now. But yeah, as you can see, I didn't cut it much, just like an inch, like a couple of centimeters, maybe a bit more. Do the same here. And again, just feather it a bit. Are they about the same length? Yes, they are. Perfect. I'm just gonna take... Gross. Looks like I had a beard then. I'm gonna take this here, go around. So, and brush it out, flip that over, and then we're gonna hold this here, let this go, and I'm gonna cut off like this much, give me some volume. And feather it. And let that go. So now, see, we have some layering, which I live for. Ugh, just covered in hairs. Let me brush it through. I just want to take like this front bit here and feather a lot out, like so, to frame my face. Lovely. And the same on the other side. I'm just going to finish off by doing my fringe. So we want to bring hair forward where you can see where my fringe is. So I'm going in like a little triangle like this, and then I twist it. Grabbed a bit more today, but that's fine. And I just want to cut it a little bit. And then I just want to feather that out again. And if you do that, it kind of goes a bit like this. There we go. A quick 13-minute cut of my hair. It's a little bit shorter. Will obviously bounce up more when my hair is dried and more curly. The fringe is shorter as well, and that will also bounce up more when it's curly. And I've got a little bit of layering, not too much, couldn't be asked today. I am just gonna let this all dry now, and then I will take you back to the living room and I will show you the finished result. As you can see, the eyebrows didn't really go any different colour, but it doesn't matter. I will see you in probably like an hour for me, but in a second for you. Hi, I am back. I have now been cooking for like an hour and a half maybe, probably. Saved some time by chopping up the potatoes when I was waiting for my hair to activate. But yeah, this is the final results. Yeah, it's definitely more vibrant. The roots are not showing anymore. It's nice and glossy, as you can see. Love that. And it's more red. This is kind of the colour that I wanted. Very happy with it, and it looks cute with my boyfriend's jumper. That is green, see? My eyebrows didn't colour very well. This is my Gimme Brow by Benefit that I've added. But the eyebrows are definitely more even. That's good. Fringe is shorter, so I can now actually see what I'm doing. And the hair is just a little bit shorter, not a lot. I only cut like this much off. So yeah, got some nice layering. That's the food ready, so I will be back. Fine, I just turned the oven off so I can finish this video. I can stay warm in there for a little while. This is the final look and the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see the previous one, I will link it up here, and you can go and have a look at that if you want to. Obviously it's quite similar to this, but a little bit different because I added the hair colouring and the eyebrow trimming and stuff like that. So I am gonna end this video here. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did enjoy watching it, please give it a thumbs up, a little like. Also subscribe if you want to see any more videos. I've got a Shein haul coming up. I needed some more clothes for my new job. I have a lot of clothes, but they don't really fit work, you know, so I just wanted to get some new work clothes. I got some shoes, some accessories. So yeah, I'm gonna do a Shein haul soon. If you want to see what I got for work from Shein, please subscribe. Keep an eye out for next week's video as well, and leave some comments down below. Let me know what you think, if you liked it, if you have any constructive criticism on how I should do my hair and make it better for next time I colour it and cut it. Please let me know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone! I'm also wearing my boyfriend's hoodie today because I didn't know what to wear and he suggested it, thinking that brown and green and whatever goes well with my hair colour. I mean, my hair looks green. I feel like my hair looks green, but I don't know if that's just the lighting. So yeah, that needs to be done today because I've had enough of this. I coloured it in October